To be fair, it looks better in person than it does on photos.
It does, doesn't it?
I was a bit like, oh, I don't know. I mean, I used to like you when it looked a bit old and it was supposed to be there.
I'm thinking of going to America for one next year. Hope you have a fantastic day today. So the behind the scenes tours are coming back. Sam Johnson.
Oh, you messaged me a minute. Sure.
Yeah.
You know what's funny? It's one of
We are the Phalanx.
Billy's
Delivering
favourite
strength in control.
Well, it's when you come out of Corpse through Helix, zero G. It's probably the best element on all, connected element on all.
Yeah.
Oh, for goodness sake.
I mean, to be fair, there ain't really a bad being an invert anyway.
No.
Raptor's the worst of them. It's fucking massive. Monster was good, the new one.
Yeah.
Like I said, my number one's Monty.
That's my favourite.
This went from being like amazing to like just being like.
I think 50%
this is like all of a sudden this is like a little sister or I've got a new girlfriend. It's like, yeah, I liked you, but I've got a new girlfriend now. And yeah.
0 0 5 9 0 1 1 3 0 0 3. Scientific testing
No, you
is
can't.
in progress at this site.
Whoa, that's just looks.
Do you reckon you'd reprofile the zero G?
Yeah, they certainly have. Yeah.
It just looks like more of a modern one, mate.
They have.
It sort of dips in the middle of it, so it's more heart-like.
Everything is under control.
What are they doing to the tower? Apparently they've sent some.